In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do exponents in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to square a number, find a cube, or apply an exponent in a formula, Google Sheets gives you two simple ways to do it: a quick keyboard method and an official function. I'll walk you through both so you can choose whichever fits your workflow best. Let's start with the fastest method, using the caret symbol. On most keyboards, that's Shift plus 6. In a cell, type an equal sign to begin a formula, then write your base number, the caret, and your power. For example, to calculate 5 squared, type equal 5 else 2 and press enter. You'll immediately see the 425. You can use the same approach for cubes, like equals 3 must 3, or any power you need. Remember, the number after the caret is your exponent. A quick tip about order and signs. Exponents happen before multiplication, and negative bases need parentheses. If you want to square negative 5, use equals large 5 at 2, not e bar 5 source 2, or you'll get a negative result. Parentheses make sure Sheets reads the expression the way you intend. If you prefer a function-based approach, Google Sheets also has the power function. This is especially helpful when your base and exponent live in separate shells. Type open parentheses, then enter the base, a comma, the exponent, and close the parentheses. For instance, is power 5 returns the same result as cs 2. If your base is in A1 and the exponent in B1, write power A1 B1. This keeps your sheet organized and makes it easy to update values without editing the formula each time. Both methods are equivalent, so choose the one that's clearest for your sheet. The caret is quick for simple entries. Power shines when your data is structured across cells. Here's a pro tip that saves time. You can use exponents to calculate roots without a separate function. To find the square root of 64, raise it to the power of 1/2. Type equals 64, 1/2, or use e power 64, 1/10. Always include the fraction in parentheses so it evaluates correctly. The same idea works for other roots, like a cube root with 1/3. If a formula doesn't calculate, make sure the cell starts with an equal sign and isn't formatted as plain text. Switching the format back to automatic helps. With these tools, the caret method and the power function, you can handle exponents confidently in Google Sheets and keep your calculations clear, flexible, and accurate.